When you try to shut down or restart your PC, you may encounter an error that reads something like this. So if you also experience the same error, here's a quick troubleshooting guide to help you fix it. For the first one, disable any automatic startup apps. You just have to open Task Manager, open the Startup tab, click the Status column to sort the table with the enabled apps at the top, select all the apps one by one, then click Disable. Once done, restart your PC and check if the error persists. If not, enable the application again one by one until you find the problematic application. Next, run the System File Checker and the DISM tools. Do it by opening Command Prompt as an admin. Type in the following command to check your system health. Next, type in the following command, then press Enter to scan your PC's health. Once done, type in the following command to repair the system image. Now this process may take several minutes, so you have to wait till the verification reaches 100%. After that, type in the following command to execute the System File Checker utility, and this process can also take some time to complete. Lastly, update or uninstall the problematic app. To uninstall an application in Windows, search for the application, right-click on it, and then select Uninstall. Once uninstalled, download the app installer, then install the app. You also have to restart your PC and check for any improvements. And those are the following ways in fixing this Windows error in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.